What's up, everybody? Welcome back up here on the lake today doing a product review. Now I know this doesn't look like much, it looks like a bag of stuff, but I took it out of the box. Here's the box. I filmed it at the house. I just didn't want it to get messed up because of the rain and stuff like that, because it's kind of rainy and cold today. But I want to do a review on this thing. This is something that Plusinno sent me. Plusinno is the company that sent me the net that's really awesome, that floats and stuff like that. I actually talked to them and they asked them about this because they asked me which one I wanted to do. They reached out to me and asked me about the net, and I was like, I'll do the net, but I was like, I really want to do a review on this thing because this is something I think everybody could use. So let's check this guy out. What this is a line spooling tool, and you can use it for bait casts. You can use it for a spinning reel, any kind of stuff like that. It comes with a line holder right here, which I think is kind of cool. Show y'all this real quick. I already put it on here for an example, but it comes with this extra like line spool. They should sell it like these extra, because these are kind of cool, because with a little case you can put line on it, and if you're switching line in and out and you don't want to waste. See, the thing is, a lot of times, like, you put braid on something during the late summer and you fish for frogs and stuff like that, or fish with frogs, fish mats, and then spring rolls around and you want to switch things up. Well, why waste that line when you can just take it off? And that's why I really like this thing. This thing is really awesome. It makes putting line on a reel super fast, easy, and taking line off of a reel super fast and easy. And that's what I like about it. So, all right, guys, I'll show you. There's two different ways you can use it. You have a setup like this that goes on here, and I'll show y'all with a rod here in just a second. But you have two different ways of doing this. Hold up, guys. Get that screwed down too far. All right. You have this version this way. The rod goes through here, and I'll show y'all, and clips down here. I was playing with this earlier. It clips like this, and you can reel off your reel and undo this and have line come off. Or if you want to take line off, you can use this little reel handle to reel the line up from your reel. Super awesome. We're going to do both right now because I actually want to switch out some 20 pound. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. I actually want to switch out some 20-pound fluorocarbon and put some 15-pound fluorocarbon on. So we're going to use this to do that, and I'm actually going to put the 20 on this extra spool and see if it fits on here. So that's one way of doing it. And you also have this other, it comes with the desk mount, which is nice too. So if you're just sitting at home and you don't want to do it that way, you can use this desk mount to do it. It has a clip, it says Plusinno on it. It's really nice. It's a cool setup. This actually works really well, and I'll show y'all how it goes. The way I like it is with the rod, because I'm always out here on the water. It worked out here. All right, this is how I like to use it. I like to use the rod connector and use it like this, even though I haven't used it yet. But out of all, they have several different kinds of these, and there's a lot of different ones. But this kind, I think, and this is loose, just because. So you can tighten it. This boat comes off, and you can put a big size spool on here. You can put a small one, then you can just line it up, move it over. For example, I'm just going to grab the spinning reel, even though we're not going to take any line off of this. All right, guys, and just like that, you can put it on there. You can reel line off of it, and then you could put line on it. And it sets nice and still and on there, and it's actually cool. Actually would work really, really well. You can balance it out, put it on there how you want to. I mean, look at how that, see, with this thing you can switch it. With these, like a rod like this is a pretty small rod, so this is a little tight. I noticed when I put it on any of my bait casting rods, it fits a little bit better. Now it's a little tight, I mean a little small. You could put an extra little wedge in there, but I noticed if I put it close like this, and then I turn this around, because you can put it either way. It kind of pops out. Look at that, man. You put line on, off. We're actually going to use it and see how it works on my other rod here. So let's do that. I just want to show y'all how it would be set up on a spinning rod. Get this. We're going to take this 20-pound floor, and this fluorocarbon is brand new. I just put it on here. But I think with what I want to throw with this, I need 15. So I don't want to waste the fluorocarbon, so I'm just going to transfer it. All right, so we got the line on there, and now we're just gonna put it on. What I done was I loosened the bell, so that way it won't rotate a lot. This line is saved, and I can hold my thumb kind of right here and just do it. And I mean, Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This thing's awesome. I mean, it's like, I think it's like 20 bucks. I have a code I'll show y'all right here. You get 15% off if you purchase this. Man, I just thought this was something personally I know I could use, and I thought a lot of other people could use it too. We're floating away, guys. Hold up, I'm gonna have to do this real quick. All right, guys, I keep having technical difficulties. The boat was floating away. Which way am I reeling here? But yeah, guys, I can't remember if it's a 15 or 20% off code. I'll link it in the description down below. And I'll put it in the comment section. Let me move this camera just, there we go. But I mean, we're almost done with this already. And it's putting the line on there pretty good. They should sell extra spools like this that you can buy. So Plusinno, if y'all are watching, that's not a bad idea. Add some extra spools. Because that way you can put them in a little case and label them. You know what you're working with. I mean, look how easy it was. Normally if I'm doing this, I have to find another reel and like try to put it on. Yeah, it's horrible. We're done. So, hold it. God. About wrecked. You can just pop it in there. How convenient is that? Plusinno, sell more of these. You should sell packs of these, like little packs, like 5 or 10 of them. Or send me some more or something, I don't know. And I can label this and put what line it is on it. Put a piece of little tape, scotch tape or kit tape, whatever. A little paper tape on there. Mark what it is. Great idea. These are a good idea themselves out there. All right, so let's get line back on the reel and I'll show you how easy that is. We'll put our little triangle piece on here. That's gonna hold the spool real good. The spool don't flop back and forth. Smell food. Somebody's cooking right in the middle of nowhere. Maybe I'm just hungry. All right, so we got that tightened up real good. Now, all we gotta do is tie it on here and reel it out. Let's do that real quick. I'm not messing with y'all. This thing is on here, man. It's not moving. It's got a nice rubber coating here to keep it from flopping around. And it's got a little wheel here and you can tighten it. That's nifty, dude. I don't care what anybody says. That's cool. That's cool potatoes right there. All right, guys. Let's reel it on here. All we got to do is reel it and it goes on there. If you're wondering, this little, let me see if I can get this angle. This thing goes through here. This has a tensioner too, a little tensioner knob right there. So you can tighten it so it doesn't over roll. So you get a nice tense, nice tight roll there. Let's do a little tighter. Dude, this thing is jamming right now. This is actually a product, guys, that I thought y'all would. I mean, the net's good. Don't get me wrong. But this is a product that everybody that fishes can use. Geese. See if we can see them. Y'all see them on the camera? I don't know. They flew behind me. I don't know where they are. Look at that. Getting it. How my line's going on here nice and straight. Fast. And perfect. Nice and spooled. Man, that thing's awesome. I think this thing's so cool. Super nice. And just like that, she's all done. I'm done. All right, guys, let's get this off here. And then just like that, you unscrew it. No rod damage. It's got a nice rubber coating. Pop it off. Nice little rubber thing there. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. We went from 20 to 15 pound flora. We didn't waste our 20 pound fluorocarbon. Still good. I'll label it, put it up. When I need it, I'll have it. Now take this thing, pop it off, take this off, and just like that, we can throw it in a compartment up there. Next time I need it, I got my line thing. This thing is awesome. Check out Plusinno. I'll put the website and the link. Use this code. Save, I think, 20%. It's 15 or 20, but I think it's 20%. And thank y'all, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. I make YouTube videos all the time, make fishing videos. If you're new to the channel, been here a while, thanks for watching. Hopefully this might help you out. This thing is nifty. I like it a lot. Actually, I'm going to be using this thing a ton from the foreseeable future. I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, I'll see y'all guys later. Y'all guys take it easy. Go check this out, man. It's nice. See y'all guys.